everyone, it's Darlene here, and today I'm going to do my Boxycharm unboxing for November of 2020, and we'll just get right into this. I have opened this. I actually already recorded this video, but something happened and it messed up, so I have to redo it. But the good thing is I got to try out some of these products, so I can already tell you how they work. So when you first open up the box, this is what the card looks like. It's sitting right on top. And the theme this month was Boxycharm Harvest. I absolutely love the design that's on this card. It's like the best one that I've seen so far, like out of all my Boxycharms since I've had it. I love it. I got variation number 17, and you can tell because there's a number 17 with a heart at the bottom. So and I will actually put the weight and everything down in the description box below because I don't remember it just off the top of my head. Okay, so the first thing that I see in the box is this thing, whoops, right here. And I tried this out today. And it is the Volition. I'm not sure how you say that, but it's Snow Mushroom Water Serum, and this actually retails for $62. It was actually really, really nice. It's like a huge packaging, but there's actually just a little bottle inside of it. But it feels really, really nice on the skin. It actually works well with another item that I actually got in my box. So this is what it looks like. It really doesn't have a smell. It has like the button that's on top that helps soak it up and then push it out. But yeah, it has no smell, but it feels really, really nice. And I did find it to minimize my pores. I actually did not expect to have to do this video today. I was going to go edit it, and that's when I seen that the sound was messed up. So I really didn't do my makeup very well today, but I was trying out some of the stuff that was in it. But yes, I'm really, really happy that I received this. I love face serums. They're always a must-have in my skincare routine. Okay, so the next thing that's in the box is this thing right here, which I used today too. It actually smells really, really good. It is actually, I'm not sure how you say that, but it's a pumpkin turmeric 2-in-1 radiance polishing mask plus 8 super oranges essence. Super orange essence is what it says. And it has pumpkin, turmeric, papaya, grapefruit, ginger, carrot, honey, and orange. And this stuff smells really, really good. This actually retails for $45. But I used this morning after I washed my face and everything and took a shower. I actually put this on, left it on for 10 minutes, and then I put that serum on, and these things work really, really well together. It smells really good. I think I'm really like smelling the turmeric in it, but I really don't smell the other things. But I do like this a lot. So yes, love this. I don't know why I keep putting it back in the boxes. I put them in the boxes so that I could show you what it's like to unbox it, just because I felt bad. But the next thing that's in the box is this right here. I did use this today too. It is Jecca Blac, and it's a liquid corrector 2.0. It's a peach, like a peachy tone corrector, and it worked really well. I mean, I don't really get dark circles. It didn't cover up a lot, but I'm wearing a BB cream, not a foundation today. So this is like literally almost the only coverage that I have that kind of helped it out. Oh my gosh, that's actually a lot that I put on my hand. But this is what it looks like. And as you can see, I'm gonna kind of shear it out. It's just like a light pink. And you just shear it out and it kind of just looks like that. Let me just rub it all the way in. But it's really, really light. It almost feels like a lip gloss, but it actually rubs in. It does leave my skin like a little shiny, but it's not bad. And it's not something that I loved, like just the first time using it, but it's not something that I hate either. And this retails for $15. Next thing that's in the box is a Natasha Denona 25% off code. And if you guys want to get that code, I don't know what the code is. NDX Boxy. If you guys want to use that code, go ahead, because I'm not going to use it. Okay, so the next thing that's in the box is this right here. And this is by Natasha Denona, which is why I got the 25% off code. And this is a 5 eyeshadow palette, and the shade is Peak, and it has 5 shades, obviously. And this retails for $48. The colors are really pretty. I actually did not wear this today because I wasn't expecting to have to do this video. Otherwise I would have, but I'm gonna go ahead and swatch some of the colors. This color right here, which is a shiny color, is beautiful. They're very soft and buttery. I am very pleased with the feel of this palette. The next shade is this one, which is so stinking pretty. I can't wait to try these out. Look at that. Really pigmented, really soft. I'm trying this brown out. Look at that. And most of the times I'm really disappointed in the browns. There's this orangey shade. It's really pretty. That's a beautiful fall. And I'm gonna go ahead and do this light shade. I'm just gonna put it right there. It's not really, so I'm just trying to put it right there. This one's like really not showing up, so that would be like a good all over the eyeshadow or like inner corner. But these shades are really, really pretty. I'm like just obsessed. I can't wait to try this out. And if you guys don't know, if you haven't been subscribed to my channel, I do test out the products on my channel throughout the month and let you guys know how I'm liking the products and everything. So if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit the notification bell down below so you'll be notified when I do upload those videos. The next thing, and I think the last thing that's in the box, is this right here. I actually did choose this. It was a choice when Boxycharm was allowing us to choose the item. And it is Gimme Brow by Benefit. It was like a light brown shade that I got. And this retails for $24. I'm wearing it on my brows today, and I really like it. It's just something that's quick. It has a little spoolie, and you just kind of brush it in, and it helps just fill in your brows without putting a lot of effort into it. Just something quick. And I really do like this. I've actually bought this multiple times before, so when I seen that it was a choice, I was like, hey, it's gonna save me money. So you know I chose it. But I love this product. So the total value of this month's box for variation number 17 was $194, which is insane because I spent like $25 on the entire box. So it was a steal. But I hope you guys like this unboxing. If you haven't already, please subscribe, hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and hit the notification bell down in the corner below. That way you'll be notified every time that I do upload a video. But that being said, that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, God bless.